Display tick and cross icons for a property in the Django administration console. In the Django-admin, if the field is a Boolean field or null Boolean field, Django will display a pretty on or off icon instead of true or false. Now, I don't really have a Boolean field in my model, but I do have a property fear which I'd like to display the icons, but when I try doing so, Django screams that someadmin.list_filter 0 refers to is_activated, which does not refer to a field. Is it possible to display those nice little icons for this field without hacking Django too much? Thanks.
You don't want to use list_filter. The property you're looking for is list_display. The documentation offers an example of how you can create a column that behaves like a Boolean in the display. In short, you do something like this. Create a method in the class. Add the .boolean method attribute directly below the is_activated method. Add the method as a field in list_display. Class myadmin, model admin. List_display equals name is_activated. You'll notice the column name is probably now is activated or something like that. If you want the column heading to change, you use the short_description method attribute.
The correct way to do this now in Django 3.0 Plus is with admin.display.
First kill, this is line 5.